Good morning. This video is from Success Convent, Melachavil, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to take a lesson for grade 4, subject English. Name of the lesson, I am flying. Name of the lesson is I am flying. The story is about a boy who believes in making others happy. Okay? The story is about a boy who believes in making others happy. Okay, shall we move to the lesson now? Okay. Once upon a time, there was a little boy who lived in an orphanage. So, once upon a time, there was a little boy who lived in an orphanage. So, what is the meaning of orphanage? A home for children whose parents are dead. A home for children whose parents are dead. Those who are not having parents, so they live in the children will live in the orphanage. Okay? This little boy always wished to fly like a bird. See, he always wants to fly like a bird. It was very difficult for him to understand why he could not fly. There were birds at the zoo much bigger than him. They could fly. The birds can fly, but we cannot fly, isn't it? Okay. Why can't I? He wondered. So what is the meaning of wondered? To want to know something. ஆச்சரியப்பட்டா. Okay, ஆச்சரியப்பட்டது. Okay, he wondered. There was a little girl who could not walk. She always wished to walk and run like other little boys and girls. So the little girl always want to walk and run like others, boys and girls. Why can't I be like them? She thought why she cannot be like others. She wondered. One day the little boy went for a walk. One day the little boy was walking on the road. He came to a park. One day the boy went to the park where he saw the little girl playing in the sand. So one day the boy went to the park and he saw the little girl was playing in the sand. So sand. Okay. He ran over to the little girl and asked, "Have you ever wanted to fly like a bird?" "No," said the little girl. "But I have wondered what it would be like to walk and run like other boys and girls." "Why?" asked the boy. "I cannot walk or run," she answered. So the girl cannot walk and the girl cannot run also. She answered. "That is very sad," said the boy. "Do you think we could be friends? He asked her. So the little boy asked her. "Sure," said the little girl. The two children played for hours. The two children were playing hours time. They made sandcastles and talked and laughed. So they were talking and making this sandcastles. Okay. Then the little girl's father came with a wheelchair to take her home. So suddenly the little girl's father came with a wheelchair so that the girl cannot walk, isn't it? So the little girl's father came with a wheelchair to take her to home. The little boy ran over to the girl's father. So this little boy ran over to the little girl's father. He whispered something into his ear. So whispered, what is the meaning of whispered? To speak very quietly into somebody's ear. So like this, he was telling something to the little girl's father. Okay. That would be wonderful, said the little girl's father. The boy looked at his new friend and said, "You are my only friend. So you are my only friend. I wish there was something I could do to make you walk and run like other little boys and girls." So what does the boy thought? So I wish there was something I could do for you. He thought that the boy thought something for the girl she can do. So I could do make you to walk and run like other boys and girls. But I cannot. Instead, there is something that I can do for you. Instead of that, I will do some other thing for you. The boy turned around and told his new friend to slide up onto his back. See? Okay. He then began to run faster and faster. He ran carrying the little girl on his back. Harder and harder he made his legs travel. So see here how he was taking the little girl on the back of his back. See? Okay? Harder and harder he made his legs travel. Soon the wind just whistled across the two children's faces. See, they were very happy, isn't it? Okay. The little girl's father began to cry. See, so sad, no? So the little girl's father began to cry as he watched his daughter flapping her arms and down, up and down, okay, up and down in the wind. So the little girl's father began to cry as he watched his daughter flapping her arms up and down in the wind. See the little girl was flapping her hands up and down like a bird. See, very happy. Yeah. So all the while healing at the top of her voice. All the while healing at the top of her voice. What is the meaning of healing? Shouting very loudly, happily shouting loudly. Okay? Okay. Look, Daddy. Look, Daddy, I'm flying. Look, Daddy, I'm flying. She was very happy and saying that word. Okay? Very interesting story, isn't it? Okay. What is the moral of the story? A friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay? Okay. So children, so we should love your friends, isn't it? So children, we all learn a very important stories in this lesson. Okay, I am flying. The lesson name is I am flying, isn't it? So we all should take care of your friends, and we should love your friends. Okay, we should take care of your friends. Okay, thank you.